Hey everyone! Listen, if you're still manually placing text labels in ArchiCAD, there is a faster way and it updates automatically. Today, we're using the Zone tool to create smarter room labels that stay consistent across planes and sections. Once you're ready, let's get started. Part 1. Creating room labels with the Zone tool. Instead of using the regular text tool, head over to the Zone tool. Then just like creating a slab, start tracing the parameter of your room by clicking around the interior walls. Once all corners connect, your cursor will turn into a hammer icon. That means ArchiCAD is ready for you to place the room label. Click anywhere inside the space to drop it, and then if nothing appears yet, don't worry. The zone still needs information assigned to it. Select the zone, then you'll notice the purple nodes appear. Then, head to the info box and type in the correct room name. What makes the Zone tool useful is that the label is linked directly to the zone information. So if you rename the space later, the label updates automatically and you can still customize the appearance separately too. Like the font, size, and display style without affecting the actual zone data. So if you need to place the same setup in another room, use the eyedropper tool to copy the settings and place it somewhere else. Just remember that you edit the room information from the zone settings and not from the label itself. Part 2. Showing zones in section views. You might be thinking, isn't this more work just for a room label? Here's where it gets useful. Open the section view, and by default, zones don't appear here. To enable them, go to Options, Project Preference, and then Legacy. Then uncheck the third option that hides zones and associated labels in sections. Hit OK, then now your zones are appearing in section views. Go back to your floor plan, then eyedrop the zone label setting, then activate the label tool. Return to the section view and click each zone. ArchiCAD will automatically pull the correct room name and area information. This keeps your drawings consistent while reducing manual editing mistakes. Right, quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. All right, back to the video. We're down to our final step. Cleaning up your views. You can also adjust the zone heights depending on the room height so zones don't overlap into other spaces. And if the zone starts covering objects in your section, you can simply turn off the zone layer in your layer combination settings. Since the Zone tool and Label tool use separate layers, you can control them independently depending on how clean you want your drawings to look. From there, just align your labels, reposition them where visibility is better, and clean up the view. If you rename a room in the zone settings, every linked label updates automatically, both in plane and section view. Pretty cool, huh? So, that's how you label like a pro in less than 2 minutes. Comment down below which ArchiCAD workflow should we cover next. And if you like this video, hit a like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you get notified every time we post. We now post twice a week, so that's twice as much videos to check on our channel every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.